Ditch the banking headaches and unlock financial freedom in minutes with Revolut. Let's dive right into installing Revolut. First, grab your smartphone. Whether it's an iPhone or an Android, then access your device's App Store, like the App Store or Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top, type Revolut. Once the Revolut app appears, it has the Revolut logo, a purple R. Tap on it, you'll see the app information page. Look for the install button and tap it. The app download will begin, indicated by a progress bar. Wait for the app to fully download and install on your device. After the download, the install button will change, usually to open. Tap this to launch the Revolut application. When the app opens, you'll be prompted to create an account. You'll see a clear sign up button. Tap this button to start the account creation process. Next, you'll be asked to provide your phone number and email address. Carefully enter this information and tap continue. Make sure these details are accurate, as they're vital for account verification and future access. Now, the verification step begins. You will receive a verification code, usually via text message, to the phone number you provided. Enter this code into the designated field within the app, allowing Revolut to confirm your identity. You'll need to provide some personal information. This includes your full name, date of birth, and address. Fill in all fields accurately, following the instructions on the screen. Finally, the most crucial step, ID verification. The app will guide you through the process of uploading a photo of your government's ID, such as a passport or driver's license. Follow the on-screen instructions for taking the photo or uploading your ID. Ensure that the photo is clear and all details of your ID are visible. You might also have to provide a selfie to match your ID documentation. Once your ID is verified, you're almost done. You may be asked for additional information or to customize your account settings. Follow the on-screen prompts, and once all is completed, you'll have full access to Revolut. Congratulations! You've successfully installed and set up your Revolut app. Now, explore the world of hassle-free banking, ready to manage your money smarter and travel with ease.